Hello everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I am happy to announce my June class to go. This month I've designed 8 projects using the new Sea of Textures bundle from the new annual Stampin' Up! Catalog. I just love all the little textures, the framelits and the stamps. They just create a beautiful little scene, and I have created 8 different little scenes using them. Now this class includes 5 cards, one of which is a shaker card, 2 3D items, and a memory jar. Now these are more of gifts that you could give out at your parties, party favors. One of them even has a little suntan lotion inside. Now these all use, like I said, the Sea of Textures bundle. Here it is. This is the stamp set, and here are the framelits. The framelits really steal the show. Look how fun these are. This class is a class to go, which means it's delivered right to your mailbox. It comes with a full color step-by-step PDF. The class kits will include 6 of the 8 projects. 2 of them are bonus projects. This one, obviously, I couldn't ship. So this is a bonus project, and one of the cards is a bonus project. But in your kit, you'll get 6 make and take packs with everything cut and scored and ready for you to stamp and use your new framelits. You'll also receive a pack of the new Tranquil Texture sprinkles. Look how fun those are. These make great shaker cards. They also make great texture on your projects, as well as a new bolt of the medium Night of Navy Baker's Twine. There are 4 options for this class. The first option is for those of you that want everything. You don't have these, you don't have any of this yet, so you want me to pack it all up for you and send it all together. The cost of that kit is $65. And when you buy option 1, you're actually getting these for free. I'm throwing these in for free. Option number 2 is for those of you that already own the stamps and framelits. You want the make and takes, the PDF, and the embellishments to make your make and takes. That option is $35. Option 3 is for those of you that already own everything. You have the framelits, you have the paper, you don't need me to mail anything to you at all. That is the PDF only option, and that's $15. The PDFs are always available over on my PDF store site, and you can find that linked at the top of my blog. And the PDF is an immediate download. So when you buy the PDF only option, make sure you look for that PDF in your inbox. If it doesn't come, let me know. Sometimes they get lost in cyberspace. Now the 4th option is for my downline. They get the make and take kits for only $14. I like to give my downline that discount. They're just paying the cost of the products or the projects themselves, because they can order all of this using their discount. If you're interested in the starter kit and getting my class kits at a discount, as well as your Stampin' Up! Products at a discount, let me know and I can share that information with you. Now the deadline for all of the kits is June 22nd. I will order everything that day, so make sure you've registered, and then I will have them turn around and sent back out to you by the 29th. Now, if you're not local to me in San Antonio and you want these shipped to you, it's a $7 shipping fee. I send everything priority mail so that it has tracking and insurance. All right, now let me know if you have any questions. Click on the link to go over to the class page so you can read all the specific details, and let me know if you want to register for the class. I have to actually email you that link. I can't list it on my blog or Facebook. You have to message or email me for the registration link. All right, you guys, happy summer, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.